Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. This week we're talking about environmental liability insurance, specifically a type of environmental liability called NODS coverage or non-owned disposal site coverage. So what is NODS coverage? Well, NODS is a type of endorsement that you might find on a contractor's pollution liability policy or an environmental liability policy that protects you from claims of third-party bodily injury and property damage arising from a pollution incident that is the result of a disposal of waste or some other materials at a site that you don't own, a non-owned disposal site. So let's look at an example. Let's say that you own a general contracting company and you've been hired by a real estate developer to demolish a building or a part of a building and then rebuild a new building. And in the course of that work, you're supposed to haul the debris away and dispose of it at a local facility. So you do that work, and but a year goes by and you get a letter in the mail and your company's been named in a lawsuit as a result of a pollution incident stemming from some asbestos that was found at the disposal site. It was improperly disposed of, and that toxic material has resulted in some sort of claim of health problems or something from people at the dump or nearby, and so you've been named in a lawsuit. This is an example of a type of claim that could be covered by a non-owned disposal site endorsement. Another example would be a manufacturer, say, of a type of energy storage product, like maybe a lithium-ion battery. And in the course of the manufacturing, there's some waste that's generated and it needs to be disposed of in a disposal site that you don't own, a non-owned disposal site, and that waste gets dumped there, and then maybe some of the chemicals leak into the groundwater. And even though lithium-ion batteries are considered non-hazardous waste by many state and local authorities, that doesn't mean that things couldn't change in the future as a large amount of the waste stream is expected to experience an influx of lithium-ion batteries and other EV batteries from the transition to electric vehicles. So this is, be another example of a situation where you might want to have that non-owned disposal site coverage if you're disposing of waste that is the result of a manufacturing process where you're using chemicals or generating chemicals or other waste that you need to dispose of. So that's it. That's a summary of what NODS coverage is, non-owned disposal site coverage, and it's usually found in a contractor's pollution liability policy or an environmental liability policy, and it protects your company from claims of third-party bodily injury and property damage in case you're named in a lawsuit as a result of a pollution incident. So anyway, that's it. Hope this has been helpful. If you have questions about your insurance and you want to reach out to me, please feel free to do so at the link below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.